Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can start using Python. So the first thing is to open your Windows menu bar and search for idle, this application, and after searching just open it. So let's minimize it. Okay, so after minimizing we need to start to know the basics. So this idle is simple to use. As you can see here, we are being shown the current version of Python, current version of idle, and at the top here we have our file, edit, help, window, and many more buttons, guys. So in this video we are not going to talk much about it, but as you can see, there is file, there are many options that you will learn on yourself. It's easy to understand this idle, guys. This is an IDE built in mainly for Python. It comes with Python. When you install Python, this will be your first IDE. So if after mastering this IDE, we will upgrade to a better IDE like PyCharm. I love PyCharm because it is fast and very useful. So some of the IDEs have got something called IntelliJ, guys. So this you understand about IntelliJ especially in Python later when we move. So as you can see here, I'm configuring my Python. You can select any color, background color. I love this one, that's why I selected it. As you saw the options bar and configure idle and many more options, guys. So let's start. So the first thing I want to teach you is the print function. So the print function works with parentheses and double quotes or single quotes, but in this tutorial I'll be using double quotes. So the print function, after the print function, you should put in the parentheses, these two brackets, and the double quotes. After the double quotes, you can put any text inside. In this tutorial I'll be putting the hello world text first. So as you can see, after clicking enter on your keyboard, after tapping, you can see now it's hello world. The output will be hello world. We can do math too. As you can see, print this number plus this number, it gives us the answer. So Python can solve math, guys. As you can see, we can do simple math with just maybe I can say one line of code to add something, to multiply something, to subtract something. So we will do this in depth. Right now I'm just showing you how the IDE works. So the IDE, after putting your command here, it will output something. So what happens if we close our IDE, as I did here? Our information will be lost. As you can see, if I open my IDE, there is no longer that print function, and everything else is gone, guys, because we didn't save. We were not saving our script. So to do that, you should open a new script file using the file function, file button at the upper left corner. As you can see, I open mine. Now I'm typing hello world, and let's code something. Yeah, this is my new code. You can anything, guys, anything, you can code anything. So right now, as you can see, if you are following up, you are coding right now. As I'm saying, that's your new code, guys, using Python language. So with this, we can build powerful scripts that we can maybe sell online, or run our tasks, our daily tasks, or even integrate with Raspberry Pi and many more you see in the future, guys, in the future videos. Just subscribe to stay alert. So as you can see here, I clicked on run. So to run is to test your file. As you can see, I was prompted to save my file first before running. So here you can input any name you want. As you can see now, I'm typing my first underscore python underscore code, then click on save. After clicking on save, your python code will run. Just wait. Yeah, as you can see, it ran well, it was executed well, guys. As you can see, all the code, all the functions, hello world, this is my code, and let's add numbers together. So the print function doesn't get outputted at the final like execution. Why? Because it's ignored, it's part of the code, it's ignored with Python. Basically, Python just outputs what is inside the print statement. So the print function is very powerful, guys. We'll be using it throughout the whole course, the whole course. So as you can see here, Python calculated for us 112 plus 12, and it gave us an answer. So Python is very, very powerful, guys. So the print function is very powerful. So right here, it's not making sense. As you can see, we were given an answer, but the user is just seeing an answer. So we need to add another statement, like let us add 112 plus 12. As you can see, that's what I'm writing here, what I'm typing here. After this, we can click on the run, but yes, run here, click here, and after that, okay, if your file is saved. As you can see, Python just updated our code. Now it makes sense. Let us add 112 plus blah 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 blah, and we got our answer. So Python is never wrong, especially in calculating, guys. In these calculations, I trust Python. So as you can see, our code was updated, and we can do many things, even start building games, and a lot of things, a lot of fun stuff, guys. We can do it just with these commands, but firstly we need to learn the basics first. So as you can see, inside there is a string. Those are the string. Inside the green text is called a string or a text. So what happens if we add one parenthesis? As you can see right now, I didn't add the full parenthesis, the full bracket. Let's run it. As you can see, we got an error, because an syntax error, because we didn't add two brackets. So in every coding language, guys, we have rules. If you miss something, that language will not work as you expect, guys. So that's kind of it. And right now, let me control Z. Don't forget to save. You should save every time you update your code. Right now I'm saving it. Let's test if our code is being saved. Let's search for idle again. Idle, the Python IDE. Idle Python, yeah, right now that one. Yes, let's open it. My PC is slowing down. Okay, now it's open. So if you want to open the last script, you just go on file again and click on open. As you can see, we were prompted with that dialog. Now look for your file and click it, and then open it. As you can see, that code that we wrote in the last execution. So as you can see right now, that code is available again. We can edit it, we can modify it, we can play around with it in any way we like. So as you can see, I'm running it again. Now my Python code is updated again. So that's pretty much of it, guys. In the next video I'll be talking about the Python basics and how we will be doing it. Thanks for watching.